Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan rasipi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Kumba Sanpo Nakishispa AA Katanat District Council Affairs kala Pyllait ya ka Bhah Shaki Lightly ki Autonomous District Council Jongga Jilla ki Bakantup ya ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Ya ka nila pentip daw menteri jong katanat DCA uba Lakmen Rembui habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor haka khatsau terik unok pra arjar arpo. Kat kum ka jingya tho jong ba Lakmen kani ka pisah bala Pyllait syakini ki Lightly ki Autonomous District Council jong kejela kamdai setia nak benta ke jing siu ya ketulap jong kinong tre. Nrei kadai ka Bhah ya ka balamang nak benta banle ya ki Kampen Roy ha ki constituency ki Bhah bapo kini ki Lightly ki Autonomous District Council. Nakani ka saupusan Klur katanat DCA kalamang arpo point saunyo Klur tengka na benta ka KHADC Khatpra point Arnot Klur tengka na benta ka GHADC Bat Henrio point pra ar Klur tengka nakabenta ka GHADC.
By this council itself, by this council, as I said before, that the government of Meghalaya is not mandated to pay the salary. We are mandated to release the share of this council, whatever it is pending. If it is there, that is our mandate. Under the 15th Finance Commission, managing of this council is not with the government. The managing of this council lies with their own respective autonomous district council. Whatever share which they have, whatever entitlement which they have, it is the district council affair will surely release. And today also that the district council affair has released 50% of their share regarding the special central assistance, which is due to them. About 45 crore to 3 district council have been released by the district council affairs, but this is not meant for the salary. This is meant for developmental work as per plan or estimate of the respective district councils. The Khasi Hills district council will get about 20 crore 47 lakh 50,000. The Garo Hills autonomous district council will get 20 crore 47 lakh 50,000 is for Khasi Hills. 18 crore 20 lakh for Garo Hills autonomous district council, and 6 crore 82 lakh 50,000 for the Jaintia Hills autonomous district council. But this is not for salary. This is for their developmental activities as per sanctioned by the released by the 15th Finance Commission. As I said before, this as soon as those component of central government share comes, this have to be returned back to the state government, because this is only the corpus fund, not the fund meant to be paid for salary. That managing of the salary is not with the state government. Managing of salary is with the respective autonomous district council, depend upon their resources, depend upon their income, that they will pay their own salary. So whatever assistance we get from the government, we will surely do. In fact, whatever we paid from the government, it is only advance in anticipation of how much share they are about to get. So we are going even advance also.